Review 3, we are going to solve by taking the square root. So first I check, I have k squared by itself. To get rid of the power, I need to square root both sides. That means k is equal to square root of 6 because we can't break it down. So for example, 2 times 3, nothing can leave, so it just stays root 6. On problem 2, and when I square root, I almost forgot, we get a positive root 6 or a negative root 6. There can be two solutions. If you don't like writing it all out, you can put plus or minus root 6. Either way, I do not mind. M squared by itself, we square root. The square root of 88, let's try and break it down, would be 4 times 22. 4 times 2 times 11. Can't break down anymore. 4 can. 2's can leave. And 2 and 11 are left inside, plus or minus. 8x squared, I can't just square root it because the 8 is attached. I need to get rid of the 8. And x squared is equal to 3. Oh, my bad, 4. 1632. Square root, and x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. 2 can leave. 4, the n squared's not alone. To move the minus 6 over, we add 6. N squared is equal to negative 10. Square root both sides. Square root of negative 10 is a little different because that negative, that can leave. When I take it out, it becomes an I, and the 5 and 2 can't leave, so it stays a 10. We have 10k squared plus 6. I want to get k squared by itself, so I minus the 6. 10k squared equals 950. Divide by 10, and k squared equals 95. Square root to get rid of the power. And we get, let's see, 95 divided by 5 is 19. And then 19 can't break down. 5 can't break down. So we are done. Yeah, it just stays plus or minus root 95. N squared by itself, we add the 9. 6n squared equals 12, 408. Divide by 6 to get the n squared by itself. 6 goes into 40. Let's see, 5 times. My bad, 6 times 36. Alright, square root it. N is equal to, can't break that down, so we leave it as plus or minus 67. K squared, I want it by itself, so I'm going to try and move this negative 10 away. Add 10. Negative 7k squared equals negative 107 plus 10 equals negative 97. Divide by negative 7. Is a decimal, so I'm going to leave it. And k squared equals square root it. K equals plus or minus square root 97 over 7.